What is going on, my crypto fiends? Thank you as always for tuning into the channel. I'm Ryan Rotolo, and today we have a quick cryptocurrency news episode for you guys. We're just going to be going over a couple things that are going on in the space right now, and then you guys can be on your way. Again, thank you as always for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a comment down below in this video and every other video after this, because we are giving away a handful of cryptocurrency wallets, and all you have to do to enter is, of course, be subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below. As of right now, the last two winners of the giveaway have not responded to me. So if you guys are watching this and you were the previous winners, make sure you respond because I need to reach out to you guys in order to send you your wallet. So nonetheless, let's dive into today's video. As you guys know, the cryptocurrency market is a little bit on the edge right now. It's a little bit hesitant. We are having somewhat of a relief pump today. At least that's what I believe it is, in my opinion. But things are still a little bit iffy for the cryptocurrency space. As you guys know, the stock market did have a relatively large plunge over the past week due to the coronavirus going around right now. And it seems like things are not so under control right now, especially in the United States. It seems like new cases are popping up left and right around the country. I'm over in Florida, and unfortunately we had two pop up relatively close to where I'm currently at. So we are taking the necessary precautions, of course, but unfortunately, although this does affect people's lives physically, this also does affect the economy. And it also affects stocks, and it looks like it might be affecting cryptocurrencies just a little bit. Nonetheless, we are still here. We are still holding strong, and this will be a pretty interesting test for cryptocurrencies if we can really ride out this virus wave and see if cryptocurrencies are sort of a safe haven asset class comparative to a lot of other markets out there, especially Bitcoin specifically, as we transition into the halving coming up in, I believe, a little more than 60 days now. It's coming really close, guys. It's going to be interesting to see how Bitcoin performs with the halving, as well as with all of this nonsense going on with the virus. So briefly going over the market right now, the one thing that has me a little concerned is if you take a look at the trading volume, the 24-hour trading volume, it is sitting pretty stagnant right now. Now you can see that cryptocurrencies across the board are pumping left and right. We have a handful up 20%, etc., which I'll show you guys in a second. But if we look at the 24-hour volume right now, it is kind of down. I mean, we're on March 2nd right now. We're starting to have a little bit of a pump, but over the past week, since about February 24th is when we had that big dump in the cryptocurrency space, and since then we have been moving pretty much sideways. The one thing that worries me about us having this pump right now, it's not new money coming into the space. It's money that's most likely being held in stable coins like Tether, USDT, or USDC, Paxos, etc., and that money is finally transitioning back into altcoins and Bitcoin. So we're seeing it appears that we're having a relief rally, but really it's just money that was already in the space. Nonetheless, cryptocurrencies are going up, so you can't complain too much, but it is going to be pretty interesting to see if we can hold these levels moving forward into the coming weeks. We really have to keep Bitcoin over $8,300. If we cannot hold this level, it is very likely, unfortunately, that we can drop into the mid 7,000s. Nonetheless, we are pumping. We're at 8,900. Let's hope we can push over 9,000 and see where we go from here. So diving into some other cryptocurrency news, as you guys know, I'm a huge advocate for Unibright, UBT. I talked about them in my previous video where I talk about 3 cryptocurrencies that can seriously make a lot of people wealthy, and Unibright was one of those cryptocurrencies. Unibright, fortunately, was listed on Kyber Network today, where they will be on the Uniswap platform, so that will allow a lot of new investors to jump on board into Unibright, as it will be a lot easier to get a hold of those tokens comparative to using IDEX or Hotbit right now. They also are about to be listed on HitBTC, although they are not too reputable of an exchange. That is another option out there if you wish to use them as well. Moving on to some crypto.com news. Crypto.com continues to impress with their innovations of their platform, and they do have another syndicate program going on, syndicate event I should say, going on tomorrow on March 3rd at 6 a.m. It could be today actually by the time this video comes out. So March 3rd at 6 a.m. UTC time, you can get Chainlink 50% off. Yes, you heard that correct. 50% off. All you have to do is stake some CRO, which is one of their cryptocurrencies, on the exchange platform, and you can participate and get yourself some Chainlink 50% off. So if you guys are a fan of CRO and a fan of Chainlink, you might as well participate and get some crypto. Another thing just to note, unfortunately, United States investors cannot participate in the exchange beta right now, so we do have to sit on the sidelines and watch everyone else have fun. But nonetheless, that's what's going on right now with crypto.com. The last thing I want to discuss with you guys today very briefly is that over in Germany, crypto now is officially seen as a financial instrument. BaFin has clarified crypto classification in Germany recently, releasing guidelines classifying the financial instrument. This move further expands the definition of financial instruments to include all kinds of digital assets, with the previous paradigm only covering security tokens. So it does seem like, at least in Germany right now, things are really starting to be clarified with cryptocurrencies. Hopefully, and I personally think that this trend will continue throughout 2020 as cryptocurrencies do really come forward into the mainstream and more money, institutional money especially, begins to flow into the space as well. So that is all the news I have for you guys today. As always, leave a comment down below so you can participate in this week's giveaway, and also leave a comment down below what your opinion on the space is right now. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Where do you currently stand? Let me know down below. Are you hodling? Are you buying altcoins? All that good stuff. Thank you guys as always, and I will catch you in the next.